Welcome everyone. Today I'll solve some important problem of area bounded by plane curve. In the previous class we have discussed how to find area bounded by curve and x-axis, bounded by curve and y-axis, bounded by two curves and two ordinates, bounded by two intersecting curves. Today I will solve some important problem. These are important for board as well as for West Bengal joint. If we remember the general result, then we can easily apply it for competition also. So consider the following problem. They are of same type. So one is sufficient, this one is general. Find area bounded by two curves, y square equals to 4ax and x square equals to 4by. So that is two parabolas. And we have already discussed, to find area bounded by two curves, we have to find point of intersection. So y square equals to 4ax and here y equals to x square by 4b. This one is general. So x to the power 4 by 16b square equals to 4ax. So do not cancel x. So x to the power 4 minus 64 abx equals to ab square, x equals to 0. So x common, x cube minus 64 ab square. So this implies x equals to 0 and x equals to 4, a to the power 1 by 3, b to the power 2 by 3. So we need two values of x. So x equals to 0 implies y equals to 0. So x equals to 4, a to the power 1 by 3, b to the power 2 by 3 implies y equals to 4, a to the power 2 by 3, b to the power 1 by 3. So we get point of intersection. This is first phase of solving the problem. Then second one, we have to find the rough sketch. So draw x-axis and y-axis. So y square equals to 4ax. This is, and x square equals to 4by, and this is y square. This one, y square equals to 4ax. Look, two curve intersection at O and P. So this is our area bounded by two curves, the shaded portion. So O is 0, 0 and P, this is x, this is y. So draw PM perpendicular. So we need value of a, value of x. So what is area? Look, area is 0 to 4a to the power 1 by 3, b to the power 1 by 3. The curve y square equals to 4x minus the lower part, 0 to this equation of this curve. So area of the shaded portion, area equals to 0 to k y1 minus y2 dx, where k equals to 4a to the power 1 by 3, b to the power 2 by 3. Now what is y1? y1 is 4ax root over, and what is y2? y2 is this curve, so x square by 4b dx. Now 2a to the power half 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 0 to k 1 by 4b 1 by 3 x cube 0 to k. So this is 4a to the power half by 3. What is x? K to the power 3 by 2, and this is 0. 1 by 12b, this is k cube. Now put value of k. What is k? So 4 by 3 a to the power half k to the power 3 by 2. So 4 to the power 3 by 2 a to the power 1 by 3 and 3 by 2. So this is a to the power half, and this is b square minus 1 by 12b unchanged k cube. So 64 a b to the power 2. So finally, so this is 4 to the power 1 by 2 by 3 by 2. So 2 square. So this is 8. So this is 32 by 3 ab square minus 32 by 3 a b square, and k cube is b square a this. Now this one is so k to the power 3 by 2. So and this is 1 by 4b 1 by 3b. So a b square a, and this is a to the power half and this is a to the power so now look, 4 by 3 a to the power half 4 to the power 3 by 2. So this is 8 and 8 a to the power half and b to the power 3 by 2 into this is b to the power 1. So this is 32 ab, and here 64. So this is 3, this is 16 ab. So finally 16 ab by 3 square unit. 16 ab by 3 square unit. So listen again. So two curves are given. Point of intersection is x coordinate. One is 0, another is this one. So we have taken this as k. So 0 to k, y1 minus y2. Put y1 and y2. So integrate. We get area as 16ab by 3. Now for the second one, exactly similar, a equals to b. So this is 16a square by 3. For the fourth one, so it is problem of West Bengal joint. Find the area bounded by these two curves. So look, if you know the formula, 16ab by 3. What is a? A is 1 by 4. B is 1 by 4. So it is 1 by 3. Answer is 1 by 3. So for both problems, these are most important problem. One problem is sufficient. For West Bengal joint, you have to remember the general result 16 AB. then put value of A and B. Now we consider one general problem. The line x by a plus y by b equals to 1 divides the ellipse into two parts. Find the area of the smaller part. So draw the figure, a rough sketch, b dashed, a dashed. So this one is ellipse. A, this is A0. This is B0B. Now line in intercept form. X by A, y by B equals to 1. So this is the line in intercept form. So look, this line divides the ellipse into two parts. This is smaller part and this one is getter. So we have to find area of the smaller part. So look, if it is problem of competition, then look, it is very simple. This part, 1/4 of ellipse, that is pi AB by 4. Pi AB by 4, 1/4 of ellipse, minus, you subtract the triangle part, half AB. So answer is pi AB by 4 minus half AB. But if it is problem of board, you have to find area by integration. So look, area of the shaded portion, 0 to A, this curve, minus 0 to A, this straight line. So area equals to 0 to A, y. So what is y of this? So we have already solved this problem in case of ellipse. Y of ellipse is b by a root over a square minus x square, minus 0 to a. What is y? b into 1 minus x by a. If it is problem of board, then we solve in this way. So b by a is outside. This is well known integration. You have to recall always this one, by 2 a square by 2 sine inverse x by a 0 to a, minus bx minus b by a x square by 2. This one also 0 to a. Now putting value. So look, if we put a, so this is 0. So a square by 2, a minus a 0, sine inverse 1. Minus, if we put a, this is ba, minus b by a, b square by a square, and half at the beginning. So b by a square by 2 into pi by 2 minus b by a minus so b by a, and this is a square by 2, b by a outside a square by 2. So b by a minus half ab. So finally you are getting a cancel, pi ab by 4 minus ab by 2. So this is the area in square units. Now you verify pi ab by 4, 1/4 of ellipse, minus half into a into b. So this is general problem. So if it is given, find area of the getter portion. So area of the ellipse minus area of the smaller portion. So look, for problem number 2, a equals to 4, b equals to 3. For problem number 3, b equals to a. So this one is general problem. This is also most important problem for board exam. Now we consider one more general problem. Find area of the circle enclosed between x square plus y square equals to 2x and x square plus y square equals to a square. So same rule, we first find point of intersection. So x square plus y square equals to a square. So x square unchanged. What is y square? A square minus x square equals to 2x. So a square minus what is y square? Y square equals to a square minus x square. And this one is 2ax. 2ax. So x square cancel. X common. A minus 2a equals to 0. So a cancel. X cancel, so a equals to 2x, so x equals to a by 2, x equals to a by 2. Now if x equals to a by 2, so what is y square? A square minus a square by 4, so 3a square by 4, so y equals to plus minus root 3 2y. So we are getting point of intersection. Now this circle can be written as x square minus 2ax plus a square plus y square equals to a square. So we can write it in this form. This. So this is, look at the figure. So center is a comma 0, radius a. Center is 0. So this is center a comma 0, radius a. So this is 2a. So you draw circle, and second circle is center 0 0 and radius a. Radius a. So we get, this is second circle. So this is x square plus y square equals to a square. This is O, this is x axis, this is y axis. So this is C, this is A0. So this is point of intersection, PQ. So P is a by 2 root 3 by 2a. So M, we are interested in x coordinate. So area will be this shaded portion, area of the figure. Now to find area, so 0 to a by 2, this curve, plus a by 2 to a second curve. So what is area of the shaded portion? So area equals to 0 to a, this curve. This curve means x minus a whole square plus y square equals to a square. So a square minus x minus a whole square dx. This is 0 to a by 2, not a, plus a by 2 to a, second curve, root over a square minus x square dx. Now look, if you draw the figure, then it is not drawn in proper unit. Look, actually this and these are same. This is a by 2, this should be a by 2. So figure will be like that. In this case, if we find area of this first part, then if we multiply by 2, we get above x-axis. So this one multiplied by 4. We can also use this one, or look, for symmetry, this is 0 to a by 2, this curve. So you are getting this portion multiplied by 4. Or you add this. So what is our formula? X minus a by 2, a square minus x minus a whole square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a. This is first part, 0 to a by 2, and this is most important formula for finding area, root over a square minus x square, a square by 2 sine inverse x by a, 0 to a, 0 to a. So this is area. Or you can multiply, so not 0 to a, sorry, this is a by 2 to a by 2 to a. So this is area. Or you can multiply this part by 4 or this by 4 due to symmetricity. So if you calculate this part and if you multiply it by 4, then you also get the area. So simplify. So 4 into, or we can write 4 into this part, or 4 into x into a square minus x square by 2 plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a. So we can multiply it by 4 or it by 4. They are same radius a. That is why we are getting area in this part. So 4 into, so this is a by 2 to a. So if we put a equals x equals to a, this is 0, and this is a square by 2 sine inverse 1. Now if we put x equals to a by 2, so this is a by 2 into a square minus a square by 4, so root 3 by 2 a. So x equals to a by 2, this is root 3 a by 2 into this half plus a square by 2 sine inverse half, sine inverse half. So 4 into a square by 2, so 2a square into pi by 2, this is 2a square into pi by 2 minus 1 by 8 root 3 by 8 a square, root 3 by 8 a square minus a square by 2. So you write a square into pi by 2, 4 unchanged. 4 is multiplied throughout. So a square by 2 into pi by 2. Root 3 by 8. So this is a square by 2, this is pi by 6. So final answer is 4 into a square common, 4a square common, 4a square common. So pi by 2 minus pi by 6, this is pi by 3 minus root 3 by 8, minus root 3 by 8. So this is square unit, this is our area. So these are all 6 marks problem. Now for the problem number 2, a equals to 1. So this one is general. Now we solve problem number 4. So problems are given in shade notation form. So we have already solved this type of problem, but in language. it is given in terms of shade notation. So problem number, suppose problem number 1. So s equals to xy, x square less than equals to y and y less than equals to x. So what is corresponding equation? So we write corresponding equations. So x square equals to y and y equals to x. And if we solve this, x square equals to x, so x into x minus 1, 0. So x equals to 0, x equals to 1. So x0 implies y0, x1 implies y equals to 1. The points of intersection, this is first phase. We have already discussed, this is 0, 0 and 1, 1. So 0, 0 and 1, 1. Now draw the figure. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. So parabola is x square equals to y. This is x square equals to y. And straight line is y equals to x. Now look, y square, x square less than equals to y, x square less than equals to y. This is parabola. X square less than equals to y means inside the parabola. So inside the parabola means this part, inside the parabola. You may take any point inside it and verify, look, this point is satisfied. So less than means inside the parabola. Now y, so y less than x. So this is y equals to x. So less than means either this side or this side. Suppose this one is P, so this is PM, so this is 1, 1, so this is 1, 0, this is 0, 0. Now if we consider 1, 0, y less than equals to x. If we put 1, 0, so 1, 0 implies 0 less than 1. It is true or not? 0 less than 1 is true. So y less than equals to x means right of this. Now what is the common area? Inside the parabola. This is inside the parabola and right of this part. So this segment. So we have already solved this problem. Find the area bounded by y square equals to x and y equals to x. So it is given in inequation form, set form. So what is area? Area equals to, look, area of the shaded portion. So 0 to 1, because it is 1, 1, 0 to 1. So y straight line dx minus 0 to 1 y parabola dx. So 0 to 1 x dx minus 0 to 1 x square dx. So x square by 2 minus x cube by 3. So this is 0 to 1, this is 0 to 1. So half minus 1 by 3, 1 by 6. So what is area? Area is 1 by 6. So we have already solved this type of problem in terms of language. This is given in inequation form. Next we consider any one. So suppose problem number D. Problem number D. So x square, corresponding equation is, what is corresponding equation? X square plus y square equals to 2ax and this is y square equals to ax. So x square plus ax equals to 2x. X common, x minus a equals to 0. So x equals to 0, x equals to a. So we can find also y. So what is y? If x equals to 0, y equals to 0. So this is 1 point, x equals to a, y equals to plus minus a. So to draw figure, we need point of intersection. Now draw the rough sketch. So this is, look, this can be written as x minus a whole square plus y square equals to a square. So we have already solved it. So adding x square minus 2x plus a square and balancing it. So this is of circle whose center is a, radius is a. So we have already considered this figure in previous problem. So this one. And what is intersection? 0, 0, a comma a and a comma minus a, vertically below. This is P, this is Q. Now this parabola is y square equals to ax, passing through this and passing through point P also. So this is our figure. Now from inequation, lesser than equals to ax means inside the parabola. Inside the parabola, or greater than equals to ax, that is outside, inside the circle and outside the parabola. Outside the parabola. So obviously, look, outside the parabola is this. So which part is common? This part plus this part. So if we consider shaded portion above x-axis, it is multiplied by 2. So inside the parabola and outside this. So this problem in language, find the area bounded by x square plus y square equals to 2x and y square equals to ax. Now what is area? Area equals to, right, area above x-axis equals to 0 to a, this is a0 because this is a comma a, 0 to a, y circle minus y parabola, then dx. So 0 to a, what is y circle? A square minus x minus a whole square. Minus, what is y parabola? Y parabola is root over ax dx. So integrating we get result. So what is our formula? X minus a square minus x minus a whole square by 2 plus a square by 2 sine inverse x minus a by 2 0 to a. This part minus root a unchanged 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 0 to a. So you simplify and get answer. So these are given in set notation form. So you solve the rest of the problem. Now we consider area bounded by modulus function. So sketch the graph of function y equals to mod x plus 3, y equals to mod x plus 1. So we have already discussed how to draw graph of mod x. So mod x restriction on x equals to 0. So here mod x plus 3. So restriction is on minus 3. 1 to minus 3. So this is minus 3. So 1 to minus 3. So you are getting this type of curve, V curve at x equals to minus 3. At x equals to, this is minus 3. So this is graph of modulus of x plus 3. Restriction on x equals to minus 3, then you get V curve. This is also 3. Now you have to evaluate area from minus 6, this is 4, minus 5, minus 6. Minus 6 to 0. So this is x equals to minus 6 and this is x equals to 0. So this part, area of this part. So from minus 6 to 0, so this is x equals to minus 6 and this is y equals to, for greater than minus 3, this is positive and this is y equals to minus x plus 3, because for less than minus, so mod is minus. So what is area? Area equals to, look, minus 6 to minus 3, this curve. So minus x plus 3 dx plus minus 3 to 0, this curve, x plus 3 dx. Now if it is problem of board exam, then you have to integrate. Otherwise, look, it is minus 6, it is minus 3. Suppose this is A and this is B and this is C. So what is AB? This distance AB is 3. Mod AB is 3. And what is BC? So when x equals to minus 6, x equals to minus 6, so y equals to 3. So BC also 3. So what is area of ABC? Half into AB into BC. So half into 3 into 3. So 9 by 3. So similarly, for this part, this is also 3, this is 3. So what will be area? So you get answer as 9 square unit. But if it is problem of board exam, you have to integrate, then find area. For competition, we find half into base into altitude, area by this formula. Now we consider problem number 6. Find the area bounded by two modulus curve. Y equals to mod x minus 1, y equals to 3 minus mod x. Mod x minus 1, 1 minus mod x minus 1. And last one is mod x plus mod y equals to 1. So problem number A. So draw the graph first. So restriction is x minus 1. So on x equals to 1. So figure will be mod of, so this is y equals to restriction on 1, x equals to 1. So this is, and then 3 minus x. So mod of minus x, you know, this one is this type, that is reverse v at x equals to 0, but it is reverse v at, this is 3 minus mod x. So this is 1, this one is 2, this one is 3. This is 1, this one 2, this one is 3. 1, 2, 3. So 3 minus mod x. So figure will be, it passes through 3, 0. This is 3, 0. So this is 3 minus mod x. So y equals to 3 minus x, x greater than equals to 0. And for less than 0, So this is y equals to 3 plus x. So this is graph of this one, mod of 3 minus this. So 1, 2, 3, then this graph. This is y equals to minus mod x. So 3, 1, 2, 3, then this type of graph. And this is y. For greater than 1, this is positive, x minus 1. And this is y equals to 1 minus x. So figure is, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. So this one. So if you draw the figure, actually this is rectangle. This will be rectangle. You get figure like this. So this is 3, 0. So this is a rectangle. So look, we need coordinate of D. We need coordinate of D. So this is, D is intersection of y equals to 3 plus x and y equals to 1 minus x. So 2y equals to 4. So y equals to 2. Y equals to 2. And if y equals to 2, x equals to minus 1. So this is 1 minus 1 comma 2. That is, this is minus 1, 0. And we need coordinate of this point B. B. So this is DN and this is BM. BM. Now this is y equals to x minus 1, intersection of x minus 1 and y equals to 3 minus x. So if we add, so 2y equals to 2, y equals to 1. So if we put y equals to 1, then x equals to 2. So this is 2, 1. This is 2, 1. So this is 2 comma 0. So what is the area? You look, this will be lengthy if we use integration. Otherwise it is very simple. So AB is length and AC is breadth. So length into breadth. So if it is problem of competition, area of ABCD equals to AB into CD. AB. So this is 1, 0 and this is 2, 1. 1, 0 and this is 2, 1. So this is 1, 0. So and 2, 1. So 2 minus 1 whole square plus 1 square. So this is root 2. And what is CD? CD. So AB into not CD, AB into AD. So AD, this is 1, 0 and this is also 1, 2. So this is 1 minus 1. So 2 square plus 2 square. So this is root 2 plus root 8. So 4 plus 4. So this is 4 square unit. If we use rectangle and by integration, what is the area? You look. So integration, area of the shaded portion, area equals to minus 1, 2. Minus 1, 2. Look. Minus 1 to 0. YCD dx. Minus 1 to 0. That is this part. Then 0 to 2 YBC dx. So we are getting this part plus this part. Now you have to subtract this triangle into this triangle. So minus 1, 2 plus 1 y AD dx minus 1 to 2 y AB dx. So simplify and you get area. So you complete it. Now we find area bounded by two trigonometric curves. Problem number 7. Find area bounded by y equals to sin x and cos x between two consecutive points of intersection. So we have already solved this problem in part 1. So problem number 2. Find the area bounded by y sum sin x, y equals to cos x and x axis between 0 to pi by 2. So draw the figure from 0 to pi by 2. So this is 0, this is pi by 2 and 1. So for sine curve, you know this type of curve y equals to sin x. We are interested between 0 to pi by 2, contribution of y equals to sin x. Now y equals to cos x. Cos 0 is 1, cos pi by 2 is 0. So this is y equals to sin x. So y equals to sin x and y equals to cos x. So tan x equals to 1. So x equals to pi by 4 is point of intersection. This is pi by 4. Now look, find area bounded by y equals to sin x, y equals to cos x and x axis. So this will be our area. This is very simple. So what is area? Area equals to 0 to pi by 4, this curve sin x dx, plus pi by 4 to pi by 2 cos x dx. So this is minus cos x 0 to pi by 4. This is sin x pi by 2 to pi by 4. So minus as it is. Cos pi by 4 1 by root 2 minus cos 0 is 1. Sin pi by 2 1 minus 1 by root 2. So plus 1 this is 2 and minus 1 by root 2, this is minus 1 by root 2, 2 by root 2. So 2 minus root 2 square unit. So this is area. Now for problem number C, look, same problem, point of intersection is pi by 4. You have to find area bounded by y equals to sin x, y equals to cos x and y axis. So problem number C, and y axis. So this is our area from 0 to pi by 4. So what is our area? Look, from figure 0 to pi by 4, this curve 0 to pi by 4 cos x dx minus 0 to pi by 4 sin x dx. So cos x, this is sin x 0 to pi by 4. So this is again cos x, but it is plus 0 to pi by 4. So sin pi by 2 1 minus 0, cos pi by 4 1 by root 2 minus cos 0 is 1. So this is sin pi by 2 minus sin 0. So 1 minus 0, not pi by 2, sorry, this is 0 to pi by 4. So this is 1 by root 2 minus 0, 1 by root 2 minus 1. So sin pi by 4, 1 by root 2, sin 0 is 0. And this is plus cos pi by 4, cos pi by 4, this is 1 by root 2 and cos 0 is 1. So what is our area? So cos x, this is plus, this is obviously plus. So 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 2 by root 2, this is root 2 and minus 1, root 2 minus 1 square. And we have already solved 3, problem number 3. Now we find area bounded by these 3 lines and area bounded by area of the triangle having vertices this. So this is important for board only, not for competition, because we can find area by determinant method, by coordinate method. So for board problem, for board only. So look, if it is problem number 1, then if sides are given, you have to find vertices, and if vertices are given, you have to find coordinate. So problem number 8a. So if we solve, this is 1, 2 and 3. So we are getting point of intersection as 0, 1. So suppose this is A, 0, 1. 4, 9. This is 4, 9. And 1 is 4, 13. So this is B, 4, 9. And this is B, 4, 13. So figure is approximately rough figure. So this is x equals to 4. You know, this is x equals to 4 is given. So y equals to 2x plus 1. So y intercept is 1. So this is y equals to 2x plus 1. Slope is 2. And this is y equals to 3x plus 1. More slope. So this is y equals to this. So area is given by this one. So using integration, you have to find area. So what is area? Area equals to, so look, this is 0, 0 to 4. So 0 to 4, YAB dx minus 0 to 4, y. So suppose this is AB, this is AC, YAC minus YAB dx. So 0 to 4, YAC, y equals to what? 3x plus 1. And same integration, 2x plus 1 dx. So if we integrate, so this is 1, 1 cancel, x. So x square by 2. So 0 to, so this is 8. Answer is 8 square unit. So today we have discussed 8 types of problem. These are important for board as well as West Bengal JEE, WBJEE and JEE main also. So this is most important chapter to find area. So if you solve these types of problem, you must get 1 6 marks problem in board exam. So in the next class, we will solve different type of problem, that is miscellaneous problem. You solve rest of the problems. Thank you for today.